Come on, come on, move! Don't stop running! We've got to get clear from them! Shit! I'm thinking, okay. Alright, okay. We gotta jump. It's gonna be okay. We'll be fine. The fall isn't too far. On 3. 1, 2, ah! You okay? Good. Let's swim to shore. Jesus. That went sideways. Oh, come on. Don't give me that look. You knew when you signed on that there was going to be hired guns. Well, yeah, I didn't think there would be that many. Look, we survived. We're both okay. Now we're on to the treasure. You still have the dagger, right? Good. And if I'm right, if we insert this into the altar, we should be able to figure out our next move. And if I'm wrong, well, I guess we get a souvenir. Okay. Well, let's just see. We can't go back that way. Armed guards will be swarming the dig site, but we still need to get back to the altar. You heard me, right? We can't go that way, unless you want us both to get shot. Why? What do you know? Yeah, I remember. But the text was referring to the altar at the dig site, wasn't it? Well, shit. Good thing you came along the way. Lead the way. You still hanging in there? I'm good. Just wishing we could get there soon. I'm sick of nearly tripping over these branches and vines. Yeah, well, I'll keep that in mind. For the next trip we take. We can go to the snow or something. What is it? Do you see? Wow. You're telling me this whole time there was another set of ruins in this god-forsaken jungle? Wait, do you see any goons? Good. Okay, let's go. Here, we're gonna need this torch for light. You still got ammo? Alright, let's go find us some treasure. Crazy. This whole thing has been here the whole entire time. I wonder if this other shrine was a decoy. I mean, it's big and flashy enough. If I was going to try and steal treasure, I'd go for the fancy temple first. You see this? I think the dagger goes in here. Well, would you look at that? A secret door. Stay close. I don't know how far this goes. Light that brazier. And jackpot. Jesus, this is a lot of gold. I'm good. I think I'm just kind of in shock. Usually I'm lucky to get away with enough to break even. But this... It's like a retirement and buying an island money. We're gonna have to go back and call it in. Get a crew out here to help us evacuate it. Or we could be ambushed by the goons the rich guy hired to find the treasure. Hi goons, how are we today? Aw, come on. Look, there's enough here for all of us. I'm sure you can see fit to it letting us go, right? You seem like reasonable folks. No? You're really gonna have to go through with the killing part. Damn. Oh, that's a shame. Move now! Well, how was I supposed to know they'd be following us? Doesn't matter now? We need to get out of here. There's the exit. Keep going. Get in the car. They following us? No? Good. See? That's more of what I was expecting. We find the treasure, bad guy takes the treasure and tries to kill us. I didn't say it was over, but we need help. And I know someone who owes me a favor. Oh, don't worry. The treasure is ours.